My name is Christopher Waldron, Senior Welding Engineer for Excel Industries. So Excel Industries is located in Heston, Kansas. We are the manufacturers of Hustler and Big Dog zero-turn lawnmowers. So one of the things that's unique about Excel is the range of product that we make. We have a residential unit, the Dash, as well as the bigger commercial units. The S104, for example, has a 104-inch deck and is known for mowing a football field, including the end zones, in 8 minutes. We needed a dust collector in our facility due to the large volume of welding in our operations. So in the fabrication facility, we have over 50 manual welders, 20 robotic arms, and the full gambit of fabrication equipment. First and foremost was the well-being of our employees. We really wanted to create a good, healthy, and comfortable environment for our welders so that they can spend all day working hard and not worrying about what they're breathing. And second, just the general appearance and cleanliness of the shop. We were really interested in a unit that would last a long time. Something that was going to be out of the way. Floor space is a premium for us, and we wanted to make sure that we had something that didn't need a constant daily or weekly attention, that we can really just start up, let it go, and have it work for us with minimal amount of effort. So for us, we really wanted something that was ambient. With the seasons out here in Kansas, it was important that we were able to return back the air that we had just paid to heat or cool, but was not taking floor space and not in and affecting the flow of parts or product. We decided to go with Imperial for a variety of reasons. Their safety Pentagon approach to having innovative solutions so that we couldn't incorrectly operate or load the filters was important to us. Their sales team was responsive. They were always there to answer our questions, and kind of felt like that we got a more personalized experience, something that we felt like we were tailoring the equipment for our applications rather than just buying something off the shelf. Our Imperial C-Max units have been in operation now for 3 to 4 months, and we've already seen a major increase or decrease in the amount of weld smoke and particulate in the weld shop. We've done some environmental testing, and if you look at aggregate across the shop, we have reduced the amount of particulate by 30 to 40%. And in some areas, and specifically, we've reduced it as much as 150%.